Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine and safe at home. This is Aruna, your maths teacher from Bharathidhasanar Matric Higher Secondary School, Arakkonam. Today we are going to see 7th standard integers, the next third exercise. So in third exercise, distributive property we are going to see. Before that, we will see how distributive property we are using in our day-to-day life. See, in this picture, for her birthday, she bought 2 cakes and she is going to distribute these cakes to her 2 friends, right? See how she is going to distribute, in the sense, she is going to give from chocolate cake 2 pieces and from strawberry cake 1 pieces to each of her the friends. So from strawberry 1 and chocolate 2 for each of her friends. So likewise she distribute the cake for her 2 friends. How distributive property is used in this is, see, the distributive property is nothing but the set of cake which is given to her friend is 1 plus 2. The same set of cake only is given to the other friend too, right? So here distributive property is used, like 2. 2 is nothing but the 2 friends, the set of cake which is given as 1 plus 2, right? So 2 into 1 plus 2. Here what is distributive property? Here she distributes the cakes like this. 2 for her one friend she gives 1 plus 2 and another friend 1 plus 2 of set of cakes, right? See, 2 into 1 and 2 into 2. Here what is distributive property is 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2. And what we are going to find from this is how many total number of pieces is given to the friends, right? So first, this is 2 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2. 2 plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 2s are 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So totally how many pieces of cake is distributed here? 6 pieces of cake, right? So here the single digit number which we have used is, it's very easy to find how many number of pieces is given. If instead of this single digit number, 2 digit or 3 digit numbers are there, distributive property will be easy for us to calculate the value, right? So we have seen in this distributive property of multiplication over addition. The same distributive property of multiplication over subtraction is also there. So we will see what are all the 2 distributive properties in addition and subtraction of multiplication. For any 3 integers a, b, c, the distributive property is a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. So a into b plus a into c. For subtraction also, a into b minus c is a into b minus a into c is the property. So we are going to see the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction with an example. For example, if I am going for a shop and I want to buy 5 products. So each product cost is 95. Different 5 products I am going to buy and each product cost is 95 rupee. So how many products I am going to buy? 5 product into, and what is the amount I am going to pay for that product is 95 rupees each, but I have 100 rupee with me. So from each counter I am going to give 100 rupee and the remaining I am going to get is 5 rupee, because the cost of the product is 95, right? So I went to a shop and I bought 5 different products. Cost of each product is 95, but I am going to pay 100 rupee for each product and I will get a 5 rupee, right? So how much totally I have paid in the shop for all the 5 products? To find 5 into 100 minus 5 into 5. That is the formula here, a into b minus a into c. So 5 into 100 minus 5 into 5. So 5 into 100, 5 into 100 is 500 minus 5 5s are 25. Now subtract this 500 minus 25, 500 minus 25. So subtract this 0 minus 5. Can you subtract 0 minus 5? No. Then we are going to get borrow from the next place. The next tens place also it is 0. So from this hundreds place 5 we are going to get borrow. So 5 will become as 4 and this 0 will become as 10. From this 10 only we can get borrowed. 10 will become as 9 and the 0 will be 10. Now we can subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 9 minus 2, 7 and 4. So, totally how much money we have spent here? 475 rupees. So, likewise we can use the distributive property in our day-to-day life. See, using distributive property, evaluate the following. The question which is given here is minus 464 into 56 plus 464 into 4. See, minus 464 and minus 464, both are same numbers now. We will consider this as A. So, A equal to minus 464 and 56 is B. This is C, that is A into B plus A into C. B equal to 56 and C equal to 4. So, the question is given in the form of A into B plus A into C, that is A into B plus A into C. So, what is the formula? A are same. So, A into, what is the set of numbers? B plus C. B plus C. This is the identity for distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now, the question is which is given in the form of A into B plus A into C. So, we are going to find A into B plus C. The values of A, B and C is given here. So, let me substitute in this. A value is minus 464 into B. What is B? 56 plus C value is 4. Minus 464 into 56 plus 4. What is 56 plus 4? 56 plus 4 is 60. Now, here 464 is a negative integer and 60 is a positive integer. So, minus into plus is minus. And multiply 464 into 60. 464 into 6. First we will multiply with 6 and then we will include 0 with that. So, first we will multiply with 6 4s are 24. 4 remaining is 2. Then 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 2 38. 3 remaining and 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. So, the answer is 2784 and this 0 will be included in this. We have multiplied 464 into 6. The answer is minus 2784 and 0 is included. Therefore, the answer is minus 27840. So, multiplication over addition in distributive property we have seen. The next example is, next we are going to see distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. In this given sum, see two numbers are same. Which two numbers are? Two integers are same. Minus 886. Both these numbers are same, which we will consider as A. Because A into B minus A into C. So, this 2584 is B and 584 is C. First, we will write the values of this A, B, C. A value is minus 886 and B value is 2584 and C value is 584. Now, the property which is given here is A into B minus A into C. So, A into B minus A into C. What is the property here? A is common. So, A into, the remaining is B minus, here the remaining is C. So, A into B minus A into C is A into B minus C. Now, the question is given in this left hand side form. We are going to find the answer using right hand side. That is, A value is minus 886 into B minus C. The B value is 2584 minus C value is 584. Now subtract these two numbers. 2584 minus 584. 584. Subtract this now. 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. And 5 minus 5 is 5 minus 5 also 0. And the next number is 2. So the answer is 2000. Minus 886 into 2000. Now multiply this minus 886 with 2. So 2 into 6. We can include this 3 zeros and 2 6 are 12. 2 remaining is 1 and 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 7 again remaining 1. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus remaining 1 is 17. Here negative into positive. Minus into plus is minus. So the answer is minus 1,772,000. Right? So when A into B minus A into C is given, we find A into B minus C. The next method what we are going to see is the question will be in the form of A into B plus C, and we are going to find with A into B plus A into C. See, the question is without actual multiplication, find the following product using the property. Now, here minus 842 into 102 is the question. We are not going to multiply both the numbers directly. We are going to use the property here. So, what property and how we are going to use this? Minus 842 into this 102 is there na. We are going to split this 102 like 100 plus 2. So, now the given question is in the form of A into B plus C, right. So, what is the for A value here? A equal to minus 842 and B is 100 and C is 2. Now, the formula is A into B plus C equal to, the distributive property is A into B plus A into C. So, instead of A into B plus C, the given question minus 842 into 100 plus 2 equal to A into B. Here the A value is minus 842 into B value is 100 plus again A into C. A value is minus 842 into C. What is C? C value is 2. Now multiply these two numbers, minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus. And we are going to multiply 842 into 100. First these two zeros, 1 into the number will give the same number, that is 1 2s are 2, 1 4s are 4 and 1 8s are 8 plus, and multiply this number minus into plus, minus into plus, minus, and multiply with this 2, 2 2s are 4 and what is 2 4s are? 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. Here 2 signs are there, plus and minus. First we will remove this bracket. So, plus into minus. What is plus into minus? Plus into minus, minus. First write this number minus 84200 plus into minus, minus 1684. Now, both the integers are negative. Already we have seen that if both are positive, we will add and the answer will be also positive. If both the given integers are negative, the two numbers we should add and the answer also will be negative. If it is in different sign, we need to subtract. If the given value, positive value is greater, then the answer will be positive. If the negative integer is greater, then the answer will be negative when positive and negative integer is given. Here, both the integers are negative. So, we are going to, what we are going to do? We are going to add the numbers and the answer will be negative. First we will take the number minus 8, 4, 2, 0, 0 and one more number is 1, 6, 8, 4. So both are negative. I am going to add this 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 8, 8 and 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 8. So 8, 5, 8, 8, 4. What will be the answer? Whether it is a positive or negative? If both the integers are negative, the answer also will be negative. So the answer is minus 8, 5, 8, 8, 4. Is it clear how to solve when a into b plus c is given? We can solve using a into b plus a into c. So we have seen for multiplication over addition in distributive property, and with subtraction how to solve. The one more example. See, the question is 525 into 99. How can you express 99? So 99 is nearest to what number? 99 is nearest to 100, right? So we can write this as 525 into 100 minus 1. What is 100 minus 1? 100 minus 1 is 99. So we can express this 99 as 100 minus 1. Now this is in which property? A into B minus C. So what is the value of A? A equal to 525. B is 100 and C equal to 1. And write the property now. A into B minus C. So the property is A into B minus A into C. A into B minus A into C. Now in this form the question is given now 525 into 100 minus 1 equal to. Substitute the values of A, B and C in this. 525 into B value is 100 minus A into C. A value is 525 into C value is 1. Multiply with this number. So we are going to multiply by 100. We can take 2 zeros first. 1 into 525 is 525 minus 525 into 1 is 525. Now subtract these two integers. 52500 minus 525. Subtract this. Can you subtract 0 minus 5? No, you can't subtract 0 minus 5. So get borrow from the next digit. So the next place also it is 0. So we are going to buy from the hundreds place. So which is 5. 5 will become as 4 when you borrow 1 from this. So 4. This 0 will become as 10. Now from this 10 we can borrow 1 into the ones place. That is 10 will become as 9 and this 0 will become as 10. Now we can subtract 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Yes. Next subtract this 9 minus 2. What is 9 minus 2? 9 minus 2 is 7. And 4 minus 5. Can you subtract 4 minus 5? 4 is smaller than this 5. So we can't subtract. So again we are going to get borrow from this 2. 2 will become as 1 and 4 will become as 14. Now subtract 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5. What is 14 minus 5? 14 minus 5 is 9. And here 1 and 5 we will write as it is. So therefore the answer is 51975. So far we have seen the distributive property of multiplication over addition and multiplication over subtraction. In this, if the question is given in the form of A into B minus C, we will find using A into B minus A into C. Or else A into B minus A into C is given, we will use to find with A into B minus C, right? And then one more property which is given here is multiplicative identity. So, multiplicative identity is nothing but, already we have seen what is identity. When the integer is multiplied by 1, we are getting the same integer. Then here 1 is the multiplicative identity. So, for example, we are going to take an integer like a equal to minus 5. Minus 5 into 1 gives what? Minus 5. If you multiply 1 into minus 5, what will be the answer? Again it will be minus 5. If you multiply with 1, the same integer will be the answer. Then here 1 is the identity of multiplication. That is, 1 is called the multiplicative identity. So, we have completed 1.3 exercise in this, and using this example questions we can solve the exercise problems too. So, for your reference we have attached the study material and question bank and self-assessment question paper also. After you are solving all the exercise problems, do the self-test for your clarifications, right? Thank you children.